Hi, my name is Madhura, and I'm a whole food plant based nutritionist. And I have been a plant based person since the last 10 years, to be very honest. By the age of 30, I had suffered a stroke, I had various hormonal issues, I was suffering from depression and anxiety. And at one point, I was taking 8 to 9 medication a day, which was not helping me at all. This continued for many years. And then at the age of 25, I suffered a stroke, and it was an overnight event. I came back from work really hale, hearty, healthy, so called healthy, and I slept. I woke up paralyzed. It was a very life changing event. The best part was it was not only physical, it was a lot of mental clarity, it was a lot of confidence building. It even felt as if, yes, I can do this, I can overcome this, which for a paralyzed person, I don't think they can even see themselves doing that. So that kind of transformation started happening. And the myth that a plant based diet doesn't give you nutrition is wrong, because how do these herbivorous animals get their nutrition, right? How is a cow getting their nutrition? How is an elephant? It's the same thing with us. We eat our greens, we eat our beans, we eat our nuts. We are getting the same nutrition that they are getting. So I don't think there's any worry about, oh, what about this deficiencies and this deprivation? Everything today can be made vegan, and it's very simple. I think your time in the kitchen is cut by half if you become a vegan. Like today, if you ask me, I call my stroke a very fortunate incident, because it was anyways supposed to happen, but it happened at an age where I could deal with it. I didn't have to depend on anybody that much. From what I see in today's world, and from what I have heard from all the other plant based doctors that I know of, or even when we observe in a way, medicines are not healing anybody. I'm not saying medicines are not important, but medicines are not healing. And obviously, for acute care, and we need doctors, we need medicines. Yes, it's the thing for the now. But when it comes to lifestyle diseases, we don't need. When we have any lifestyle disorders, we definitely can heal them with nutrition only, because nutrition or a bad lifestyle or bad eating habits, rather, that's what has got us to that. Yeah, they are good, like this is something really nice happening to me. Over the long term, I reversed my stroke. My hormonal, like where my periods were 3 to 4 times a year, they were like clockwork. Every month I'm getting them. No PMS symptoms. And the best is, I'm a happier person today. I don't take any depression, anxiety pills. You can't be hiding behind doors and eating something and expecting the child not to eat, because they are instinctual. They know when a parent is doing it and when they're making you do something else. But I still remember, after missing 3 meals and I didn't force her to eat anything, she came back to me and said, Mama, I'm hungry, which was like music to my ears, because in 2.5 years I had not seen her tell me, Mama, I want to eat food. But on the other hand, if you observe, today's children are reaching puberty at the age of 8. My son is only 9, and most of the girls in his class already have got their menstrual cycle. Children have diabetes at the age of 7 and 8. I have so many clients where the child is only 4-year-old, 5-year-old on type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes, even 13, 14-year-olds having stage 2 cancer. And the children don't even have the mental capacity to deal the disease.